Hi, this is Dan Stewart, and this is your NORAM Asset Management Market Update, Tuesday, December 21st, 2010. All three major indices ended up in the green today, although it looks like they may be running out of steam. Momentum seems to be waning, and the Santa Claus rally may be coming to an end. I just hope it lasts through Christmas. The Dow was up 0.5%, the NASDAQ was up 0.2%, and the S&P was up a little over 0.5%. The good news is the markets, namely the S&P, got back to its pre-Lehman collapse levels. Gold and silver had a spike down, or as traders like to call it, a gap down today at 9 in the morning. In fact, I had a few emails saying, what's going on with gold and silver? I said, not to worry. The printing presses are still working overtime. They rallied back quickly, and gold ended up flat, and silver was positive just marginally. Breadth is neutral to negative on very light volume. That's the only thing that's tricky about reading this market this week. Light volume can tell volumes, no pun intended, during regular market days. But when you have holidays and half the traders have already left town, it's really hard to read the tea leaves. The US dollar was up against the euro and the pound, but down against the yen. Now this is interesting because China's thrown its support behind the European markets. The euro rallied against the dollar, but sold off. Treasuries, longer-term treasuries, yields were down and prices were up. And it looks like investors may be getting an appetite for longer maturities. Call me crazy, but I'm not going to play that game. Europe was up across the board due to China's backing. And Asia was up across the board because it looks like tensions between Korea are starting to settle. This has been Dan Stewart for your NORAM Asset Management Market Update, Tuesday, December 21st, 2010. And Merry Christmas.